Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll just be talking a little bit, letting you guys know where I am and when you can expect April's bag and so forth and so on. So let's get started. And so I am just about finished with April's bag. I have the lining to actually sew down inside of it and just add a few more things to it, and then I'll be ready to do my drop for that for April and April's bag. And I'll come to you with a video like I always do, and just give you the name and a little background on her and whatnot. She's coming along pretty good. That's all I can tell you for now. So currently, I have that to complete. And remember the acrylic yarn bags that I was working on that had the little ruffles around it? One was blue. I had one that was camo colors. Well, and the pink one, the pink and the blue one, I frogged them. Yeah, I frogged them. The camo one, I think I'm gonna keep it just because I have a camo cardigan, so I can kind of like rock that with that. But yeah, I went ahead and frogged them. I'm probably gonna do some other type of bag with that yarn. But I just, after a while, I just wasn't liking it. So, hey, I frogged it and I have the yarn. So I'm going to see what I'm going to do with it. I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. But I am. And, guess what else, guys? I am 1 subscriber away from 50 subscribers. Woohoo! Yes, I am 1 subscriber away. So I will be planning some lives with you guys and crocheting, maybe some crochet and chill lives or whatnot. But yeah, that's basically all I have going on. I think I'm going to start, because I just been doing bags of the month like that. And I'm okay with doing bags of the month because it keeps my inventory, it keeps me well stocked as far as inventory, and I can just always pick up, have more than enough stuff to do for a market and not have to be like, oh, let me rush, get some things going for a market. But I always already have stuff. So I'm gonna still do bags of the month, but I'm going to try to work on some bags to go with my wardrobe. Personal bags for myself, and then if somebody is interested in that design, then I will, I'll make it available to you or to that person. But I think I want to get in the groove of making some bags for my wardrobe, because I have some, like I have an everyday bag, I have a brown crochet bag that I had made back in I think it was late 2024 that I made that bag. So it's time for me to start crocheting, adding bags to my wardrobe and stuff like that. And I also have some other garments that I want to add to my wardrobe. So I'm going to be working on a lot of that, and some of it might be planned for a live or two. I just have to see what I have as far as yarn goes. because if I'm gonna do like shirt garment or something like that, I want to actually do it in cotton. So I just want to make sure I have more than enough cotton and stuff, you know, the colors, um, before I can actually, you know, plan. So I just need to sit down, see what all I have, and then, you know, plan accordingly, or get whatever I need, and then plan to do a live on that, or just a regular video, um, whatever, you know, I decide to do. But I definitely want to add some more bags to my wardrobe, and actually do some garments for myself. Because the only garment that I actually did was the crochet that's in the camel green and the what other color is the olive, the deep olive, and the camel green. That's the only garment that I have made. And I also made another cardigan with the fuchsia and that other multicolor pink. So I'm gonna work on that. I just don't have any set date or anything for that yet, for those projects, but I'll come to you at a later date. So yeah, we are 1 subscriber away from 50. So we're moving forward. I just had to make sure that I am consistent with what I post, when I post and stuff like that. So I've been very consistent with that, and everything is just moving forward the way that it should be moving. So I think that is it, guys, for today and today's video. I have some other things that I want to do, but I'm not gonna say anything about it. I'll come to you at a later date. I do have a market that I want to attend that first weekend. I think that Mother's Day weekend in May. So like I said, I have more than enough stuff already prepped for you know, a market. So if I'm going to, you know, move forward with attending it, I have enough stuff. I don't have to try to be making stuff to actually sell. So if I go to that market, I'll come back and let you all know how it turned out. So it is a Mother's Day market, and hopefully I can go ahead, push forward and attend it. I have a little bit more time before everything is actually due for it. So we'll see. I think I might have like a week, maybe a week and a few days. So yeah, I just had so much that I was doing, so much that I was busy with, and so I have something else that I actually do. I don't just crochet, I have other crafts that I do, and I want to show you guys what it is. I wanted to show you like a couple of weeks ago, but I had to wait before I can actually show you. And when I come to you with the video to show you what it is, then you're gonna understand why I had to wait before I can show it to you. But it's another craft that I do, and so you'll see when I get ready to show it. But that's it. That's everything that I have to say in this video, guys. I have to kind of like slow down with speaking, because I I'm gonna come back to you and tell you why, because it's gonna really go. It's a story time. So I'm gonna come back and tell you maybe my next Wednesday. Let's see. My next post that I do, instead of me doing with Wednesday, I'll do a story time, and or I'll leave my Whip Wednesday. I'll do a story time Sunday for y'all. Do story time Sunday, and you know, tell everyone why sometimes it sounds like I'm kind of like fumbling over my words and stuff like that. I just have to learn how to slow down the way that the speech therapist actually showed me taught me how to kind of like slow down and make sure that I'm getting my words through. But I'll let you all know why I had to take speech therapy when I do that story time Sunday. So I'll drop the video on a Sunday. But that's it for this video. I'm not gonna ramble on. I just start to rambling and just go all over the place. But anyway, that is it for this video. Like, subscribe to the channel, comment, I want to hear from you. Just comment and say, look, I like watching you. I enjoy watching your channel. If you do enjoy watching it, I want to see more of your bags and stuff like that. So it's just me trying to get, you know, my projects in order and make sure that I am consistent with this channel. So until I see you guys next time in the next video, until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and know that you are a queen. Bye.